देखो, in the first paragraph we all know that 14th 15th midnight India got independence, and it was 14th 15th August 1947 that not one but two nation states, they came into existence. There were two nation states which came into existence, and one, it was India, and the other one, it was Pakistan. So 14th 15th August 1947, not one nation state but two nation state came into existence, and one was India and the other one was Pakistan. Now why this two nation state came into existence? Two nation state इसलिए existence में आया because of the result of partition, और यू कैन से दैट अर्लियर एक ब्रिटिश इंडिया हुआ करता था. आई डिड टेल यू दैट इंडिया, इट वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू. ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल इंडिया दो इसमें डिवाइडेड था. वन वाज द ब्रिटिश इंडिया, and that British India, it was directly under the control of the British Crown and the British Parliament, and the other one was the princely states which were under the indigenous kings, but somehow or the other they got the support from the Britishers. So we can say that 14th 15th August 1947 जो British India था, it got divided into two, that is India and Pakistan, and all of this was the result of partition. It means that there was a demarcation border which had to be drawn. That is, border ko demarcate karna tha, that is the territory of both the countries had to be demarcated, and that is what we have to read here. But why did this partition take place? Because it was the Muslim League which gave the two nation theory. ये जो two nation theory है, this two nation theory, it was given by the Muslim League. It was given by the Muslim League. And according to this two nation theory, India consisted of not one, but it consisted of two people, that is the Hindus and the Muslims. So that is why it demanded Pakistan a separate country for Muslims and India a separate country for Hindus. But what about the Congress reaction to this? The Congress, it was opposed to this two nation theory because Congress always stood for the Hindu-Muslim unity, and the Congress party, it opposed this resolution, it opposed this theory of India and Pakistan. But 1940s में अगर आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकिंग पे जाओगे तो 1940s के बाद you can see that the Cripps mission came 1942, the cabinet mission happened 1946, then the Indian Independence Act, that is the Mountbatten Plan, it came in 1947. So due to all these developments, the Congress at last, it accepted the two nation theory, and also because of the political competition between the Congress and the Muslim League, the Congress did accept the two nation theory. Got it? So in the first paragraph, all you have to remember is that 14th 15th August 1947, not one but two countries came, two nation states came into existence. दो nation state existence में आया. एक था India, one was India, and the other one was Pakistan. It means that there were British India, it was divided into two, that is India and Pakistan, number one. Number two was that there was a two nation theory, and this two nation theory, it was propounded or it was given by the Muslim League. And according to this two-nation theory, the Muslim League said that British India did not consist of one but two different persons, yeah, two different people. One was Hindu and the other one was Muslim. So that is why they demanded Pakistan, which would be a separate country for the Muslims, and India, which would be a separate country for the what? Hindus. But what was the reaction of the Congress initially? It did not accept it. But later on, Congress accepted it. Why? Number one, because of the political developments in 1940. Number two, because of the political competition which was taking place between the Congress and the Muslim League. And number three, the British role, that is the role played by the British. All of this led to the creation of Pakistan.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।